Here's something almost nobody explains to you before you get your exhaust done. Your catalytic converter is worth money, real money. And that's exactly why so many shops are pushing you toward a cat delete, and it has nothing to do with performance. Let's start with what the catalytic converter actually does. Inside it are three precious metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, coated onto a ceramic honeycomb. As exhaust gas passes through, those metals trigger a chemical reaction that converts toxic gases into less harmful ones before they leave your tailpipe. That's the entire job, clean the exhaust. Now here's what most people don't know. Those three metals, platinum, palladium, rhodium, are some of the most valuable metals on Earth. Rhodium alone has traded for more per ounce than gold. A single used catalytic converter can be worth anywhere from $50 to several $100s to a scrap buyer, depending on the metal content. So when a shop tells you, let's delete the cat, you'll get more sound, more power, ask yourself, what happens to the converter they just pulled off your car? It doesn't get thrown away, it gets sold, straight to a scrap or precious metals buyer. That shop just made extra profit twice, once from your labor bill, and again from selling the part they convinced you that you didn't need. And the performance claim? For the vast majority of daily driven cars, a modern catalytic converter creates minimal restriction. You're not unlocking real horsepower by removing it. You're mostly just losing emissions compliance, gaining a check engine light, and in most states, breaking the law. Cat deletes are illegal for road use in the US under the Clean Air Act, and many states inspect for it. So the sound gets louder, the power gain is marginal to none, and you just handed the shop a free part worth real money. That's the piece nobody tells you, and now you know it. At K-Racing Muffler, we don't do cat deletes to profit off your car. If you want more sound, more presence, real gains, we build that the right way. Proper piping, resonator tuning, muffler selection matched to your engine. Legal, tuned, and built to actually perform. Not just sound like it does while some shop quietly cashes out on the part they took off your ride. Know what's under your car. Know why a shop is really recommending something. That's how you stop getting played. K-Racing Muffler. We build it right, and we tell you the truth about why.